Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the FM transmitter and the car stereo. This ensures radio and transmitter can communicate. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and place it in pairing mode so the transmitter can find it. Make sure the car radio is tuned to an unused FM frequency with minimal static. This gives you a clean channel to match. You do this now to reduce interference and speed the next steps. If your transmitter has a display, glance at it to confirm it's ready. You pair your phone to the transmitter first. Accept pairing prompts and look for a connected icon or tone. Once paired, use the transmitter controls to set its broadcast frequency to exactly match the car stereo frequency you chose. If the transmitter uses a scanning mode, stop the scan and manually select the desired frequency for precision. Then, fine-tune the transmitter in tiny steps while monitoring audio on the stereo. This reduces interference and improves clarity as signals lock together. You finish by playing music or a podcast and checking sound quality on the car speakers. Adjust the phone and car volumes so neither clips. If you still hear static, move either unit a few inches or select a different unused FM frequency. Small changes often eliminate interference. If the connection is unstable, restart the transmitter and your phone and repair the devices to clear glitches. One key tip: if pairing fails repeatedly, delete old Bluetooth pairings from.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.